Now, all the dear students of physical education for class 11th, today we are going to start the new chapter or new unit number 7, test, measurement and evolution. As you know, the test, measurement and evolution is a more important in the life of an individual or in the life of a sports person, because the physical education future has depend on the ability of a physical education teacher or coaches. How it is, let's try to understand that. Because any teacher or any coach is measure to find out the good sports person or good sportsman through the test measurement on the behalf of the evolution, because these three terms are very important for the any selector or any coach or any physical education teacher. So we have to know about the terms test, measurement and evolution. The meaning of the test is, in scientific term, test is an instrument or tool used to obtain data on specific characteristics of an individual or group. Test has to be administered. It may be in form of scale, measuring tape, thermometer, etc. It means we have to say that test is a very important, or it is called the scientific term, or we can say as an instrument also or tool also, that we have to use to obtain the data, especially for any individual or any person or maybe any group also. So on the behalf of that, test should be administered, means in that term test whatever has required or whatever is needed, that should be involved. Maybe it should be involved or in form of scale, measuring tape, thermometer, etc. So on the behalf of that, we can say it may test is requisite for all measurements. A good test should measure the quality for which is to be used. It should be simple also, accurate and easy in the manner or administrator also. That is the term test. Next one, we have to come on the measurement. Measurement is an aid to evaluate. It is consist of numerical values or scientific score by expert or professionals, and also known as the raw score or measurement. It means the measurement is a just like as an aid to evaluate. It should be in a numerical forms also, or we have to be use, or experts we have to be use as in the raw score. So it is a very important thing. On the behalf of that, we have to select, or we can say the physical education teacher or the coach has tried to select the best performance of the group or best performance of an individual in the group also. Next one has come the evolution. Evolution is the test and measurement are prerequisite for evolution. It means for the evolution, test and measurement is also pre-required, and it tells the worth or progress of the individual or group also. So it is basically a subjective judgment based upon interpretation or analysis of data score gained from the test. So through the evaluation we can check the performance and we can check the data of the individual persons, and we have to try, or the physical education teacher has try to find out the best performer in a group. So in this brief discussion about the test measurement and evaluation, we have to know the value and meaning of these terms. Thank you.